The seasons in Arabic. First, I'm going to give you guys the dialect pronunciation and then the pronunciation in MSA, Modern Standard Arabic. If you don't know the difference, make sure to check out the free mini course. Yalla. Summer, الصيف. Autumn, الخريف. Winter, الشتاء. Spring, الربيع. Now, the same words in Modern Standard Arabic. Summer, we're starting with summer because it's summertime right now. So summer, الصيف. Autumn, الخريف. Winter, الشتاء. Spring, الربيع. So you'll notice it's the same words, just the pronunciation slightly differs. In dialect, typically instead of al, we have il, right? So instead of al-kharif, il-kharif. And then with regards to like a word like winter, الشتاء. In MSA, we have that glottal stop at the end. الشتاء versus in dialect, الشتاء. Tamam. Let me know if you guys have any questions. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.